got Bittersweet Symphony by the Verve, and the thing to note with this combi is that the bass notes are built into the chords. So when playing this, you have to play the specific triads. So E is played this way, and the bass note is on the G sharp, and there's actually an E bass in that one. And the next chord is a B minor, and the B is on this note. And the A is played this way. And the A bass is on the C sharp. And finally, when you play the D, it's in the root position. And the D bass is on the D. And the reason that's there is because you're playing the right hand and you can't really go down here. So and those are the sounds to play Bittersweet Symphony by the Verve as part of the Session Gig Covers sound pack available at narvsounds.com.